Hey, what's up guys? This is Chris Aquatics and you are watching my YouTube video on my YouTube channel. Ang gulo, no? Okay guys, so I'm so excited to show to you guys this product from Sunsun. Kala ko Xiaomi Sunsun. So this is a submersible pump. So let's unbox this. Actually, this is the second time I bought this brand from Sunsun, and the first time I used this, I was so amazed. So kung bakit, just watch this video para makita ninyo. If you're looking for a submersible pump, you can consider this one. Tara, unbox natin to. Alright, so as you can see, we are now unboxing this Sunsun Shaoli submersible pump. So the model of this pump is the XQP-500, and the specification of this one is, takpan siya ng sticker. Takpan natin sticker. 220 volts, 60 Hz, and 6 watts only. Yan. So power efficient to, 6 watts only, 0.9 M, hindi ko alam kung ano yan. And ang flow rate nito is, the flow rate of this one is 500 liters per hour. And 12 mm ang size niya. So to be exact, it was 75 by 58 by 64 millimeter. So let's open the box, the item. Inside the box we have the nozzle. And of course, we have a suction cup fit that you can attach to this if you want to attach it on your aquarium. And the pump itself. Yeah, the pump itself. Other than that, there's no other inclusions. So this is the pump. Quality wise, it is a very good quality pump. It is a very good quality pump. The wires that is used to this was very thick and very long. I guess it's about 1.5 meters or 2 meters, I guess. Long enough even for a 75-gallon aquarium. And we have the pump itself. So as you can see, this Sunsun Shaoli pump, submersible pump, is very minimal design. It has a flow adjuster right here on the side, where you can control the flow of water. Yeah, it is one features of this pump that I like the most. Kabulol-bulol na ako dito. And also, you can easily remove this the feet of this submersible pump. This is where you attach this suction cup if you need to attach this. And you can easily detach this cover, so you can easily clean the propeller of the submersible pump. Okay, so that's one cool feature. But I have noticed that there's a dirt here inside. Maybe because it was stuck for long ago. I don't think this has been used, because the other parts are so clean and the oil is still visible in here. Okay, so let's go. And so I brought this pump for my aquarium. Hirap naman mag-English. Okay guys, the purpose of this nozzle is to place it here, because this is where the water goes out, and then you just need to place a water hose in here, directing to our filter. So let's go to my aquarium. So this is my 15 gallons aquarium. As you can see, it has a power head installed in it. So I covered the other nozzle of this power head because I want the water of this 15-gallon tanks to become and to reduce the flow of the water. And also now I will replace that power head into this submersible pump. What I like about this one is that the design is so simple. Okay, now let's test it. I will going to install this one right here and I will going to test it. Okay guys, so as you can see, I already installed this and masasabi ko na 5 ulit ng lakas nung aking power head na 25 watts kuno na 1750 liters per hour na naka-install doon. Itong itong binili kong maliit na 6 watts 500 liters per hour. And I was surprised kasi halos umapaw yung aking tawag dito, some filter dyan sa sobrang lakas. And ang danger naman nito guys is siguradong mahihigop nito yung mga shrimp natin. So gagawin ko ng paraan to para hindi higupin ng pump natin yung ating mga shrimp. So what I'm going to do is I will put some cover in here, mga net siguro, tapos i-reduce ko yung flow. Total nakokontrol naman yung flow nito para ayan makontrol natin yung tubig na yung intake natin dito sa submersible pump natin. So okay, since bumili ako nito mula dun sa 35 gallons ko hanggang dito sa 15 gallons, eto very sufficient to kahit gamitin mo pa to sa I guess kahit mga sa 35 gallons or 20 gallons pwede to. Kasi yung nandun sa 35 gallons ko pwede yun sa 75 gallons sa sobrang malakas magbugat to ng tubig kahit mataas na yung binabatuhan ng tubig niya is kayang-kaya niyang batuhan ng tubig. And that is the reason bakit bumili rin ako ng submersible pump kaysa tong power head na to na medyo hindi ko trip eh. Okay itong power head kung gagamit kayo ng power head sa mga aquarium na gusto nyo magkaroon ng malakas na flow ng tubig kagaya nito. Yan, yung power head yung nagkukos ng flow na yan. Pero kung ang purpose nyo naman is to deliver the water to your sump filter, you better use this submersible pump as a pump para siguradong kaya niyang iangat yung tubig dun sa inyong mga sump filter. Okay, so that's it guys. If you like this video, I will put the link on the description if you want to know where to buy this stuff. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko in the future. Yun lang guys. Peace out. Bye bye.